Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to my beloved lecturer, Dr. Juniza and all my fellow classmates. We are from group CUTIE CRAWLERS. I will introduce all my group members before we start our presentation. The first presenter is myself, Liza Maryam Binti Musa, followed by Nathasa Sara Paulus. Next, presenting components are Muhammad Afiq Fikri. Maintenance part present by Muhammad Izzat, and the last presenter are Nurul Najihah for care part.
I'm gonna present the first part of the poster, which is the type of combine harvesting machine. From my study, there are three types that most Malaysian farmers prefer. Firstly, New Holland 8070. Second, Kubota Pro 688QG. And the last one is Kubota brand DC105X. The difference among those three types is the size, engine type, horsepower, and tank volume. However, we decide to choose New Holland 8070 as our main reference. That's all from me. The next part will be shared by Nathasa Sara Paulus.
Hi, today I will explain about function harvesting machine. But before that, I will give the definition of harvesting. Harvesting is the operation of gathering the useful part and parts of the plants or crop. So for nowadays, people that have large farm that planting crops like paddy, corn and tomatoes, they will harvest all the crops using machine. So the function of combine harvesting machine is first cutting the paddy to process harvest rice like using header unit. 2. Able to direct separate paddy from the straw. And the best part of the harvesting combine machine is can save our time. Oh yeah, next I will pass to the next presenter, which is Afiq. Bye!
I'm gonna present the third part in poster, which is a component of combine harvesting. Combine harvesting component is divided into 8 component parts. Alright, the first component is header unit. It consists of a director or reel guide and a cutting blade. The reel guide or paddy stalk director serves to direct the paddy stalk to the cutting system. In addition, it also plays the role of holding the rice stalk so that is in upright position during the cutting process. This director component is very helpful in the success of the rice stem cutting process. Second component is cutter bar. The cutting knife serves as a rice cutter. It will open and close repeatedly to cut the stem of the rice plant. Third component is conveyor. This conveyor serves to carry the rice that has been cut into the treasure unit. Next is treasure unit. It serves to spread between the paddy and the paddy stalk. The operating speed in the treasure drum is 600 to 800 rpm. This is important to ensure no damage to the rice bed, the crop that has been cut, the bread, and keep the seed away from the stalk. Next component is sieve. Here the paddy grain will be sifted and dropped into the paddy collection tank. Next component is spreader. It serves to spray unwanted materials such as hulls, stalk, and dirt, and it is routed past a conveyor where the straw moves to the back of the machine. This spraying process is done to spread the ripe and unripe rice. Using a gust of air from the blower will clean the rice grain. To get a good level of cleanness, the fan speed on the blower should be 70 to 300 rpm. Next is unloader. When the tank is full, the paddy is carried from the tank by elevator and shoot out of the side pipe into the trailer. The last component is cleaning unit. The unwanted stem and husk will fall from the back to the machine. Some combination have a rotating diffuser machine that remove the straw. That's all from me. Next part will be shared by Muhammad Izzat bin Mursin.
Thank you, Afiq. Now I will continue for my part. The maintenance that we must do for our tractor is: first, change oil at regular intervals. This is because oil that has been in the engine too long will be dirty and worn out. We also must choose the suitable oil for specific type of engine. Next is regularly check coolant level in cooling system. The cooling system must be kept clean. To clean, we use normal water hose but not with high pressure because it will damage fins. Then, check tractor's oil. We must to make sure the oil is at the right levels as well as clean is important in order to avoid serious engine problems. Last is check the electrical system periodically. The system responsible for charging battery, operating lights, powering the instrument panel, and many more. Wiring insulation is intact. Wires securely fastened to the terminals. So this system is important. So that's all from me. Now I will pass to the next presenter.
Now I will continue with my part. To ensure the machine are in good condition and usable for a long time, we need to take good care of it. Among the care that needs to be implemented are: first, check the tire pressure regularly. This is to ensure that the condition and the pressure of the tires are in good condition. The second one is check the coolant hose. Hose used to circulate the coolant from the radiator should be checked regularly for cracks or any breaks. The third one is, after the harvest season, machine should be placed on a flat and safe surface. It is intended to prevent the machine from being damaged or foreign matter entering. And the last one is, check the condition of the entire machine periodically. This is also to ensure that the entire machine is in good condition to resume operation when the next harvest season comes. That's all from my part. Thank you.
That's all from our group. Till we meet again. Thank you. Bye.